Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to deactivate your messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your messenger app. So once you open your messenger app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the hamburger like icon, and then you can simply tap open your settings. So here you can see that there is no option for your account deletion, so you need to come back and simply tap open your Facebook now. So once you open your Facebook, you need to then tap on the hamburger like icon, and from there you need to simply go in settings and privacy. Then simply select the settings option, and once you do this, you need to now simply tap on personal details. After this, you will end up in this page where you need to now tap on personal details once again. After doing this, you need to now tap on the account ownership and control where you can find the deactivation or deletion. So simply tap on it and then simply tap on your Facebook profile and hit the deactivate account and press on continue. After doing this, you will end up in this page where you need to type in the password of your Facebook account. So once the password has been typed, you need to hit the continue button. Then you will end up in this page where you have to give reason why you are deactivating your Facebook. So hit the continue button and hit the continue button once again. So once you deactivate your Facebook, your messenger will also be automatically deactivated. So in this method, you can deactivate your messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.